Hi, this is Roni, and this is How to Kill a Kit with Style, August 2019. And I'm going to scrapbook that picture right there. It's my grandkids. My son sent me the picture via text. And the reason he sent it was because it was dark and they had their sunglasses on, which is hilarious. He was asking them if they could even see, and they just would just smile at him. They were fine. I did use this paper on another layout. See the plaid side, gingham, I think it's gingham, yeah. I did use it on another layout, but I knew that I had this picture I was planning on scrapping, and so I'm using this side on this layout. And I'm using it on the opposite side, so it's going to be a little different from the first layout. Not a whole lot, because the design's going to be, pretty similar with that diagonal line through there. I am saving that back of that paper. That is the dipped, I think it's dipped is what that paper pad's called, and I'm going to map my photo on it because I want some of the pink to show in there. And then I'm also going to mat it in black, since there's so much black in the sunglasses on that page, plus their glasses are dark, their background's dark. I decided to go ahead and mat it in black also. There is a challenge in the Mercy Tiara 27-day challenge thing on Facebook that is for 'Tis the Season, and so I considered doing this title, 'Tis the Season for Shades or Sunglasses or something like that, but I couldn't resist instead putting day or night, you gotta love them shades, and point out the facts in case somebody don't notice that it's at night that they're wearing their glasses, that I'm pointing it out. But if you want to enter that challenge, go over to the Facebook page and check it out. Mercy Tiara's 27-day challenge group. And you could get in on that challenge. You have all the way to September 2nd. Plus, they've got a bunch of other challenges going on right now too. So if one don't interest you, then something else will. And they're there for inspiration, to get you scrapping those scrapbook pages. Yeah, get all your goodies on a page instead of in a closet or a drawer or on a shelf. Yeah, have them on a page. Yeah, there's mood boards. There's one where 3 things that start with the letter S for summer. So like stickers, sprinkles, scatter, whatever you want to put on there. Even the word summer on the page. So you can do that one even. And of course, like I said, the mood boards, they're pretty easy. Just go along with the colors there. And there's sketches. I think there's like 6 sketches to choose from. There's quite a few to choose from. I decided that I'm going to cover up the seam there between the 2 pieces of paper. And I'm using this teal cardstock. Well, I think it was called Mint when I ordered it. And I'm going to run it along that page. And of course, that's longer than 12 inches when you go across there. So it's a good thing you put a picture in the middle. So you don't have to worry about having a piece that's longer than 12 inches to go there. The picture is really good at hiding it. I'm trying to make sure I get it on there straight. And I do have an 18-inch ruler that I can check with. But right now I'm putting it on the grid that's on my mat behind there, and just double checking with the ruler to make sure it goes down straight. And yeah, I don't know what good that part did me. I think I was just I was double checking to make sure I was looking at the same line at the top and at the bottom, because I got to worrying I wasn't. And I'm just trimming edges off on this, and I want to put my picture right back down because there really isn't any other place to put it other than there. I am going to put it on foam tape to bring it up a little, and this foam tape isn't very high profile. I got it off of eBay, and it's pretty thin, and I think it's it does say acid free on it when you get it, but I think it's more for automotive or something. What in the world they use it on automotive, I don't know. But yeah, I bought it in automotive sections before, and it'll say right on the packaging crafts, and it'll be in the automotive section, so I'm still wondering what they would use it for. And I'm just making sure my photo's straight there. And I'm using this alpha to do the shades. None of these alphas stuck very well when I used them, so they will get put down after I get done here with some liquid glue, so they'll stay. But yeah, none of those letters stuck very well that I've used so far out of that packaging. Of course, stickers are famous for that. However, those ones right there, those small ones that are, I think it were Paige Evans in one of her kits, has the white on one side and the navy blue on those stick. I haven't had no trouble with those. And see, I put that word notice there, and I'm going to lose it later. I will not be able to find it. I probably spent, well, altogether maybe 5 minutes hunting for it, because I'd look and then I'd do something else, then I'd look and I'd do something else. So I cut each of those times out of the video. But I was doing like the definition of insanity, you know, do the same thing over and over, expecting the same results. Yeah, expecting new results, that's what it is, but getting the same results. Yeah, and you know what? I found it today. When I went to take the picture of the layout, it was stuck to the back of the picture. Well, not the picture, the layout itself. Yeah. So I end up putting something else there. I put write this down is the one I end up putting there to take its place. But yeah, it's going to disappear. You may be able to tell it in the video, but I couldn't find it. And it was doing a really good job of hiding. The thing is, I thought I looked on the back of the layout. I am going to go ahead and go around the edge of this. And I started in white. And right away I decided I didn't like it in white, since I already had the photo matted in black. I decided I wanted it in black. So I'm having to go over the top of the white, and I'm having to start my pen again over and over again on that piece of scratch paper, because the white was not cooperating at all. And there's those little glasses, and so I'm going to find a couple of the little, my mind went blank. A couple of little brads to go with it, because it does have 2 spaces there. And I thought I really needed that whole set on HSN, and I've still got most of it. I used a ballerina shoe one once, and this, and I think that might be about it. The others are still sitting there waiting on me to use them. I need to get them out and put them on my desk so I will remember them and actually get them on a scrapbook page. I think I ordered a double set even, and I gave my sister a couple when she was scrapbooking a long time ago. That's how long I've had it. I don't think she scrapbooked in 10 years. So yeah, I've had these longer than 10 years. And that heart there, it will look like it's distressed when you see the close-ups. And I do have close-ups at the end. Yes, when you see the close-ups, it'll look distressed, but it came that way. I didn't distress it. And I'm going to go ahead and make the holes in here. And I do get a little crooked to start with, but I will fix that before I end up taking the pictures. It might be after the video's over, but it is before I take the pictures. And my ATG ran out, so quickly I replaced it. So nice new roll. So it'll be a while before it runs out now. Maybe a few layouts anyway. And I repeated the yellow gingham up there at the top. I have it behind the chipboard that says smile. And then I'm going to end up putting a sun on there later. So I'm going to repeat the yellow 3 times on my page. And there's the smile. And I forgot I put the other half of that frame down there with the gingham too. So it looks really bare, so I'm going to have to find something to go there. And I'm just going to look in my embellishment bowl that I've got sitting over at the side and find something. And no telling where it came from. I'm kind of thinking it came from Freckled Fawn, but don't quote me on that. Oh, this is where I started looking for that, and yeah, I thought I cut it all out. Apparently not. But yeah, I'm still looking for that little chipboard thing that says notice, because it is missing up there and I cannot find it. And I guess you get to go on the trip with me, honey. But I stop and then I'll end up doing it again. I do it several times. So I guess I cut the rest out. Hopefully I cut the rest out. Hopefully you won't have to watch me. No, I am doing it again. And I end up using this one that says write this down instead. And even after I find it, I just go ahead and leave it the way it is, since I've already finished the layout with it on there. This has a pair of glasses on it that says too cool. And since it is pink and I'm going to tuck it underneath the smile, I thought it needs something to distinguish it a little bit, so I am going to back it in that cardstock, that teal cardstock also. I must have fell down on the job, because here I am fussy cutting and not cutting it out either. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's going to get tucked right under there. And I don't think I decided to put the acrylic piece there yet, but I will find the acrylic piece and put it on there before I finish with the layout. And part of that's on foam tape so that it'll be level with the picture. And then that's just going to get tucked underneath there. Oh, no, it's not. It's going to have foam tape too. Yeah, I see that now. Yeah, it's going to have foam tape too. It could be used. I used wider foam tape underneath the smile. That's why I did it. And I'm looking for something here to go up at the top of the layout, and that's when I get that heart out. And it is a new set of chipboard, so yeah, it was distressed to start with. It's the only thing on the whole chipboard sheet that's distressed, but yeah, it is. And of course I'm looking at that sticker sheet again. I'm really having a hard time using those things. I need to have a barbecue or something, or go to the beach, or find some pictures where they're at the beach. I did the one with the mermaid hair, but I didn't use these stickers hardly because the mermaid took up so much of the space. Oh, and here's that one, that fun, and like I said, I believe I got it from Freckled Fawn. And I'm just removing the tape from the back, and it is the 1/4 inch score tape. However, I cut it down the middle and made it smaller, so it was 1/16 of an inch. Yeah, and put it on there. And this says, sunny days are here again. Write this down, day or night, you gotta love them shades. So yeah, like I said, I thought about putting 'tis the season to love them shades, but yeah, I guess I won't get in the little challenge since I strayed so far from it. But that was my intentions when I started the layout. I just ended up talking myself into something else. But I am promoting the challenge and telling y'all where it's at and how to get in on it. So I am doing that. I am putting enamel dots on the page right now. I used all the ones I had in my kit up, so I did add some more to my kit. And it was a partial package, so it looks like I'm going to get it done too. And I do have a wooden sun that I'm going to put right there. And I guess I'm going to get a little lazy because I am going to just use the ATG gun and put adhesive on the back. And right now you're seeing me move some of the ATG glue out of the way so you won't be able to see it when you put it. I put it back down on the page. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do to this page. And that's my layout. If you leave a comment below, I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you like the video, please hit a thumbs up. And if you're not a subby, I'd love for you to sub to my channel. Anyway, I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week. Thanks for watching. Bye.